What's up? I'm David Guetta.
This is Kelly Rowan.
And this is my single.
When love takes over,
it's still the best.
All the hits, all the time.
And you're listening to
Zimbabwe's number one, Star FM.
Good morning. Welcome to the Star FM Breakfast Quiz. My name is Yasha Mandimutsira. Well, we've got NetOne in the building. Not NetOne building. We've got NetOne in the building. Ready to get into the marathon that we call the quiz. Okay, E.T., take it over.
Yeah, so there's a marathon actually happening. So maybe NetOne can just introduce themselves and tell us a little bit about the marathon, what's going on.
Very good morning to you. I'm Kudzanai. I'm here with my team. We've got Chantal, Linda, Chipo, Rutendo. Marathon is about 9 days away now. We're all very excited for the third edition. Preparations are going well. Get your tickets, guys. They're available in selected NetOne shops. They're also available online via the One Money website and via Hype Nation. Yeah, there will also be an after party for those interested.
After party?
Really? Yeah. We're going to have some artists including Black Diva, Nati O, Feli Nandi, Toki Vibes, Jazz Signal.
At the after party?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Emphasis on the after party.
After party on.
NetOne, are you Team A or Team B?
We are Team B.
All right, that makes Breakfast Club Team A. All right, Breakfast Club, your question. What is the capital city of Togo?
Lome, yeah.
It is indeed Lome. NetOne, what is the largest city of Benin?
The largest city of Benin.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to have to pass on that one.
The answer I'm looking for is Cotonou. All right. Breakfast Club, your question. In human vessels that carry deoxygenated blood from the body to the heart are known as what?
From the body to the heart.
In humans, vessels that carry deoxygenated blood from the body to the heart are known as what?
Okay, one more go. One more. Let's hear it again.
In humans, vessels that carry deoxygenated blood from the body to the heart are known as what?
Vessels.
Blood vessels.
Are they not cells?
The blood vessels.
No, the vessels. Aren't they the
Oh,
veins?
vessels.
Veins.
The veins.
It is indeed veins.
Veins.
NetOne.
What are vessels, bro?
NetOne, your question.
What are
The
vessels?
smallest blood carrying vessel in the body is known as what?
I know that one.
The smallest blood carrying vessel in the body is known as what?
Jeez, I have to sit today.
Clearly, yeah.
What's yours? Oh, you got a package.
Okay, I'll answer.
Your answer, guys?
All right, the answer we're going for is arteries.
The answer I'm looking for is capillary. Breakfast Club. Helicopters and some fixed wing aircraft have VTOL capabilities. What do the letters VTOL stand for? Helicopters and some fixed wing aircraft have VTOL capabilities. What do the letters VTOL stand for?
Isn't vertical something landing?
Ow.
The T and the O, I can't.
Vertical.
Technology. Are we going
Vertical.
for pass?
Vertical in landing. The town half.
Vertical landing.
Are we going for pass?
The answer I'm looking for is vertical takeoff and landing. NetOne, your question. Worldwide, all commercial passenger airplanes are legally required to have TCAS installed on them. What do the letters TCAS stand for? Worldwide, all commercial passenger airplanes are legally required to have a TCAS installed on them. What do the letters TCAS stand for?
This is a question someone
Your questions,
crash
guys, you're
investigation.
killing us.
I have no idea.
TCAS.
Mikasa.
Trouble, companion. I don't know.
All right. The answer I'm looking for is traffic collision avoidance system. Breakfast Club. In 1898, I beg your pardon, three French brothers, Louis, Marcel, and Fernand, founded a famous car manufacturing company that is still operational today. What is the name of the company? In 1898, three
What are
French
their names
brothers, Louis, Marcel, and Fernand,
No.
My friend.
If it's a French car.
founded a
Peugeot.
famous car.
It could be.
Oh.
Peugeot, Renault.
Time.
What's a hundred?
Peugeot,
What's a hundred?
Renault.
Well, I'm looking for Renault.
Oh, we were there.
NetOne, your question. In 1928, Hubert van Doorn from the Netherlands founded a famous truck manufacturing company that is still operational today. What is the name of the company?
No idea.
In 1928, Hubert van Doorn founded the Netherlands, from the Netherlands, founded a famous truck manufacturing company that is still operational today.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna go for Scania, but I think it's late.
DAF, DAF. That's the answer I'm looking for. All right, Breakfast Club. Which late Zimbabwean musician had the middle name Rambisai?
And they had to be late.
Which late Zimbabwean musician had the middle name Rambisai?
Girl or boy?
Hey, guys.
Ah,
Which
The
late?
man who-
Which late?
Rambisai.
Oh, you don't get clues.
No, we don't get clues.
Rambisai.
Could be Dembo.
No. It was Sorenyo, okay, but no.
No.
Is it not? Is Jonas Stole system?
Jonah Moyo, I think it's late.
Jonah.
Your answer, guys?
Jonas
Okay.
Stole.
Jonas Stole.
Oh, Jonah Moyo.
Stella Chueshe.
Stella Tuesday. Oh, okay.
I knew it was a woman.
All right, NetOne.
That is not funny. That is not funny.
NetOne, your question. Which Zimbabwean musician's real name is Lincoln Hamudinei Kanemanyanga?
Let's just go to Honda. Let's pick up.
Let's just go to home.
Aye.
Shut up, man.
Can you please repeat the name? You guys get it.
Lincoln Hamudinei Kanemanyanga.
Onyari.
Liverpool yacho gaitaka kuwina. Toda ite easy.
Your answer, guys? The answer I'm looking for is Mike Mopo.
Your questions today.
So Mike Mopo is
Anyway.
even his real name.
Breakfast Club. What name is given to the art of preparing, stuffing, and mounting animal skins to make them look alive?
Canning? No. Wait, those from hunters.
Yeah.
What is it called?
Okay, repeat it. Just quickly.
What name is given to the art of preparing, stuffing, and mounting animal skins to make them look alive?
So we're gonna kick ourselves.
It's not sculpturing. It's not. It's
After hunting and whatnot.
Chokuomesa jeje.
Yeah, and then good stuff. What's It's not funny. It's not funny.
Time, guys. Okay, the answer I'm looking for is taxi dirty. Taxidermy, guys. Taxidermy. All right, NetOne.
Las Vegas.
All right, NetOne, your question. What name is given to the process of treating animal hides and skins to produce leather? What name is given to the process of treating animal hides and skins to produce leather?
The biltong.
Some sort of drying process.
Your answer, guys?
Time.
I even mentioned it.
Yeah.
I even mentioned it.
The answer I'm looking for is tanning.
Turning.
All right. Breakfast Club. Which country hosted the Africa Cup of Nations finals in which Zimbabwe participated for the first time?
It's us. It's 2004.
2004, that was Egypt.
Are you sure?
Huh? Tunisia. Wait, Tunisia.
It is Tunisia.
Oh,
All right. NetOne. Which country won the last Africa Cup of Nations trophy? Which country won the last Africa Cup of Nations trophy?
Are you
Why
sure?
do we get the
Last AFCON
Are you sure it's a giveaway? I don't even remember.
was it Egypt?
Cote d'Ivoire is the answer I'm looking for. All right, Breakfast Club. In the 2001 animated film Shrek, who plays the voice of Donkey?
Chris
That's
Rock.
Ed.
Donkey. It is.
Is
Donkey.
it Chris?
No. Donkey was the A.
Who
Okay.
was Eddie?
Who was Eddie? Who's Eddie?
All right. Chris.
Oh, it's Eddie.
Wait,
It's not Eddie. It's Chris
Time,
Rock.
guys.
It's Chris Rock. The teeth. The donkey at the teeth is Chris Rock.
Chris Rock.
Eddie Murphy. All right, NetOne, your question.
Murphy.
In the 2001 animated film Shrek, who plays the voice of Fiona?
That's not Chris.
There's no way Chris Rock plays.
Who voiced Fiona?
It was Eddie.
Okay, yeah, answer is Chris Rock.
It's not. Fiona was a girl.
It's actually Cameron Diaz.
Cameron Diaz.
Okay, Breakfast Club. According to the Bible, who was Israel's first high priest?
I'm sorry.
NetOne needs to get
I
one.
apologize.
They need to get one for my prediction to be true, guys. You need to get one. Sure. Okay, let's go.
All right. According to the Bible, who was Israel's first high priest?
Aaron.
Aaron.
Indeed, it is Aaron. NetOne. According to the Bible, at his death, Aaron was succeeded by one of his sons as high priest. Who was he?
That's the one. That's the one. And I started watching Torah.
No. It wasn't.
It's a crisis.
Can you please repeat the question?
All right. According to the Bible, at his death, Aaron was succeeded by one of his sons as high priest. Who was he? Your answer, guys? The answer I'm looking for is Eliezer.
Goodness.
What's the score? What's the score, Rua?
Okay, so Team A, Breakfast Club, 4 out of 10, and then TB, NetOne, 0.
So we won.
I think we did.
I think we did.
Yeah. Star FM, many thanks to NetOne for coming through. So you heard it all. Let's go to Honde for the marathon. It's 9 o'clock time for the news.
This is Zim Paper's Radio Broadcasting News.